As for e-revolution, if there's anywhere that e-revolution is going to start, is here in KZN. Ndingumxhosa ne? Ndingumxhosa. Ndiyaziqhenya futhi ngalonto leyo. But if there's anywhere any revolution of any kind is going to start, it's here in KZN. Reason why ngisho njalo is that abantu base KZN, they are able to come together for a cause, whatever cause it is, whether it's a good or a bad cause, but bayakwazi ukuthi bahlangane and bayakwazi ukuthi babe nenkani ekutheni into mabengayifuna bayifuna. Yabo? And even back then in the days of the apartheid, KZN was actually known as one of those provinces they are very much resistant to change abangayiqondi. Yabo? And look, njengoba njilo ndingumxhosa ne, Eastern Cape, you guys are sleeping. Northwest, you guys are sleeping. Western Cape, you guys are sleeping. Gauteng, you guys are sleeping. All 8 other provinces are sleeping. Yes, there is some movement, but where there is real movement is here in KZN. People are coming out in their numbers. People have had enough. Yabo? People actually take to the street and they actually do something. Yabo Leon. And that is commendable, Buffett. Yabo? It's something that we can all learn from, because the chat is, why are we doing this alone, Siuzulu, right? I'm quoting. Why are we doing this alone, Siuzulu? Why are other provinces not joining in? And that's valid. It's valid because really, like for example, I'll speak for amaXhosa because ndingumXhosa ne. Ayizusinceda lento basibe ngamanene, yabo? Sibe ngamanene ngalantu bana yazi ntoni yonke into ufuna uqala uyicinge before uyenze. We've always been those people. Some things don't need intellect, some things need action. We can't always see ourselves as intellectual, but fanele uqala uyicinge into before uyenze. Sometimes it needs action, decisive action. Mass mobilization of people to say we've had enough. Yabo? So nje, if there's going to be any revolution of any kind in this country, it will start in KZN and it will spread to other provinces as well. Because they clearly are the pioneers of wanting to see and effect change. So we can do better, nje.
Yes, Buffett, I understand ukuthi yini ecasula abantu kangaka ngale ndaba yokuthi the revolution will begin in KZN. Ngiyabona kwama-comments abantu abaningi from Eastern Cape, from Gauteng, from Limpopo, from Northwest, Western Cape, bacasukile yabo ngokuthi nje nani anisiboni ayihambi ngaleyo ndlela. Into besisho nje kuphela isekuthenini njengoba siqala silwa, I'm saying this as well and I'm quoting it, njengoba siqalile silwa siwuZulu, nisijoyina nini ngoba phela the fight is a worthy cause. And njengoba bengithe i-revolution izoqala la. Okay, mhlawumbe angiyishintshe ngiyibize ngesiZulu noma ngesiXhosa because it means the same thing in Zulu and in Xhosa. Inguquko. I-revolution inguquko. Inguquko ukuguquka. Ubona uma esontweni kuthiwa ususindisiwe, usuguqukile. It's a revolution, ukushintsha kwesimo esithile. Yabo. So my thing is ukuthi we can march all we want, we can take to the streets all we want, but ngithe i-revolution nokuteleka is not the same thing. Yabo, i-revolution uguquko kokuthi nje yazi siyishintsha lento, and leyo nto mayisisenzeka yenzeka ngendlela yokuthi kulimala state institutions that are economically viable for them. Yabo. It's the complete collapse of state institutions and state viability of money. And mass mobilization of people to detach state institutions from monetary value. That is a revolution. So a revolution will not only need Zulu people, and it will not only need Xhosa people. and petty people and vendor. It will need all of us. Siyindlu emnyama. And I think that is the chat. That is what actually Zulu people are saying. Ukuthi asihlanganeni phela senze lento. Manje nina niyacrossa yabona nithule manje sithini yabo sikhuluma sodwa manje bafethu asenzeni lento phela. Yabo. Manje nina niloku nikhuluma indaba zokuthi nje hayi no kanjani. Dog, yabo muhlele kini mfethu right uyitshela ukuthi nje mfethu hayi into yamaZulu le kulwamaZulu abakho maZulu alwayo apha fondeni kuthetha into eyi1 ba masidibaneni sonke senze into enye ukuze siguqule esisimo sikuso singabantu abamnyama. It's that simple. Ngoku wena ucaphukiswa into bange ngokuqalwe ngamaZulu ke ngoku lento. Wena uhlulwe intoni wena ubuyiqale wena ke uhlulwe intoni wena ubuyiqale nobe sibhini ibhizinisi benisixela ngoMandela noThabo Mbeki noOliver Tambo aba bantu bayenza bayidlala indima yabo. Now it's us. So guys, come on, let's masivuka apha emaqandeni. Yabo, if we want to talk about a revolution and overthrowing this government in terms of illegal foreigners and illegal this and illegal that, we need to come together. And that is what Zulu people are saying. I'm not a Zulu spokesperson, but mangibabuka ngiyabona ukuthi nayi into abayishoyo. Manje sithini?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Lona ngiqolo kani usende message ebantwini uyasho nje ukuthi revolution uma singakhuluma nje liqiniso leli mhlophe bhayi yokuqala eKZN uthi revolution inguquko iyoqala eKZN and lo wakhuluma go guys ngeke simphikise because eKZN bayemele into yabo sibabonele kaningi baphuma bagqwala titradi bamasha whenever kuna something leyendakalako bayaphuma babe munye babe ngizulu babombane. Ayikho province lesiyibona ilwa njenge-KZN. When it comes to ma-foreigners kulwa i-KZN kakhulu uthubuka nje ubone ma-social media kokuthi i-province lelwako it's KZN. Ubone bo-Cape Town kuthiwa njena akufika ngamuntu kuthiwa nje kufike 6 people but eKZN ubone titrata lapha eThekwini tigqwele bantu. So uyasho uqolo kokuthi KZN i-revolution engilayo yokuqala khona yokuqala eKZN. Labanye bayigqekile le nkulumo yakhe lapha enkulento oqhumana bathi uyawamela amaZulu but guys that's the truth. Asibanike nje lokho ngeke abantu baze bathi KZN nje iyodwa country because bayemela into yabo and bayabumbana. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.